Hello, this is Rashid behind the camera, and I have here a TX R919X, and the tape is Sony HX Pro, UX Pro, sorry. And it's on Chrome, and I have Dolby B on. I can put it on flat. Let's calibrate. With the computer on, let's try this. (315 Hz). Tape source check. It's good. I just set it. This is level calibration for 315 Hz. And the bias is, I set it on here is, sorry. Here we go. 8.5 kHz, and I'm gonna lower it down to 20 Hz. Oh, sorry, minus 20 dB. Do the tape source check, and it's good. So I set the bias here, already preset it before I started this video. And you see here, tape and source, it's good. Okay, so we have a Sony UX Pro spooling in here, and let's do some bass test. Okay, the bass you record very loud. Like to record loud at +4. What happens? So let's go to source. This is on source. Increase the volume, record volume, minus, okay, 0 dB, and back up a little bit. You can't see the computer, I'll have to speak. It's at 342 Hz, and it's 0 dB here. Lower it down 200 Hz, 80 Hz, 60 Hz, 50 Hz, 40. And let's look at the tape. It's louder. Okay, I'm gonna move it back up. You can see the meter. It's 43, 50 Hz, 60. So what's happening here? The tape is recording a bit louder than the actual bass, so it's recording bass in the, okay, so let's lower it down to 30, 34, 30 Hz. Stable at 0 dB, tape source check. Let's go down to 19 Hz. That's -2. So the tape is recording pretty good, right? Okay. 10 Hz. It's at -4, -3, and 0 dB source. This is the maximum. This is the maximum you can go on this for 10 Hz, 11 Hz on this tape. And that's very low frequencies of music if you're recording music, so the maximum you could go. So if you set the record level at -4 it's gonna record slightly better. Okay, we're gonna press Dolby B and look at the tape source check. And it's at 11 Hertz, 27, 28, 30 Hertz, 32. This is dBx on. I'm going to stick to Dolby B here. So this is the maximum the bass could go on the tape, 0 dB. So if you're recording loud, say +4 dB, you're not going to record 30 Hertz. Okay, so what you're going to record is the effects of 50, 54, 60 Hertz. See, so the 60 Hertz can go up to +4, +6, +8. That's it. +4. Okay, so what happens is when you record loud, you're not going to record the whole frequency spectrum. The tape is going to drop from 60 Hertz down to 30 Hertz, a few decibels, and so the bass is going to sound a bit rough because you did not record 30 Hertz. Okay, 30 Hertz here, 33, 32, 32 is at maximum -2. And you have to push it really hard to get it up there. That's saturation, distortion, whatever. Distortion. Okay. Same with high frequencies. You can see here it's at 6.7 kHz, 6.9, 8.2, 8.2. And it's dropping now, see? So 10 kHz, for example, here is 10.2 kHz. It's staying at -7 decibels. Yeah. And you thought you'd be recording at 0 dB. It's not. So if you record at -7 and do the tape source check, you see that it's pretty close to -7 here. Okay, so that's about 10.2 kHz. The computer is going to mess up if I go too high to above 15 kHz, so I'm going to stick till maximum 15 kHz here, 15.6006, and it's recording at almost at -10. You thought this is source and you're recording at +4. It's not recording at +4, it's actually recording at -10 maximum. Okay, this is Dolby B on. This is flat. Now it's more stable. It still goes -10. That's it. Okay, this is 15 kHz. So when you record music, what happens is that this 10 kHz is pretty sharp, and that's the limit of this tape, that it's recording 10 kHz at -7, so 15 kHz is going to be recorded at -10. So there's going to be a difference in tape and source sound. Okay. The mid band 3.8 right now. It's stable at -4, 2.7. -4. Okay, so this little workshop here is we just looked at when we go to the extreme frequencies, the levels drop, and we stay at the mid band, levels stay at -4. I set it on -4 tape source, and this is tape. Okay, so whatever you're recording on the tape, there is going to be a slight difference what gets recorded on the tape. Dolby B on, Dolby C on, DBX, and it's 1 GHz, 1.2, 3, 4, 5. Look at down there. Levels drop. The next workshop we're gonna look at why levels drop when we press Dolby, when we press DBX. Okay. Say 10 K's at 10.5, and source is at -4, and the levels dropped at to -10. We're gonna see this later on why it happened. So when I press flat, deck is using Dolby HX Pro on, and it's stable at -7. Tape source check is 4 and 7. It's a used cassette, so there's going to be a little bit difference. So that's it. Thank you.